We're going to explain how to make categories in Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on what you want to achieve. 1. Using filters. This is great for quickly categorizing and viewing data without altering the spreadsheet's structure. Let's say you have a column listing products with different product types, like shirts, pants, shoes. To filter, select the header of that column, go to the Data tab, and click Filter. A drop-down arrow will appear on each header. Click the arrow for your product column and uncheck Select All. Now select only the categories you want to view, e.g., only shirts. Excel will show only the rows containing shirts. To see all again, just click the filter arrow and select Select All. 2. Creating a pivot table. Pivot tables are incredibly useful for summarizing data and creating categories based on your chosen criteria. Select your data range, go to the Insert tab, and click Pivot Table. Choose where you want to place it, a new sheet or the existing one. Drag the column containing the items you want to categorize to the rows area of the pivot table field list. Then drag the column you want to summarize, e.g. sales figures, to the values area. The pivot table automatically summarizes data for each category. 3. Adding a helper column. For more complex categorization, or if you need to assign custom category names, add a helper column. Let's say you have sales figures and want to categorize sales based on ranges, e.g. low, medium, high. In the helper column, you'd use a formula based on the sales figures to assign a category. For example, if sales are less than $100, the cell in the helper column displays low. Between $100 and $500, it shows medium. Above $500, it's high. You can use IF statements or nested IF statements for this. 4. Using conditional formatting. This is visual. Let's say you want to highlight all sales above $500 in red. Select the sales column, go to Conditional Formatting, then Highlight Cells Rules, and choose Greater Than. Set the threshold to 500 and choose a red fill. This doesn't technically create categories in the data itself, but it helps visually categorize based on values. 5. Creating named ranges. This isn't strictly categorization, but it can be helpful. Let's say you have a list of shirt sales data. You could select the data and name it Shirt Sales under the Formulas tab. This helps organize your data and makes it easier to refer to the data in formulas. Remember, choosing the best method depends on your specific needs and how you intend to use the categories.